Welcome, crafters. Thank you for tuning in my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a lacy bell. First, we'll need a small steel hook, and in this project I'm using Aunt Lydia's size 10 crochet thread. Let's start. First, you'll need to make a ring. Work 12 double crochet around the ring, starting with chain 3. That'll count as your first double crochet. My fingers are a little stiff today. Once you have 12 double crochets, pull the end to tighten the loop. Slip stitch to the first double crochet there to form the round. Round 2, you need to make chain 2 and single crochet in the next space. Simply repeat chain 2, single crochet in the next space, and you'll do that for the whole round. Slip stitch to join the round, and round 3, slip stitch in the chain 2 space. Chain 5, double crochet in the same space. You have formed your first V stitch. Do the same in the next space. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same space. Simply repeat for the whole round. So you should have 12 V stitches. Once you have your 12 spaces, slip stitch to form the round. So for the next 3 rounds, 4, 5, and 6, you're going to simply repeat what you just did in round 3. Again, it's slip stitch into the chain 2 space, chain 5, double crochet in the same space, and simply double crochet, chain 2, double crochet all around. I love this pattern. It's so simple and it's so intricate when it's done. Simply beautiful. Round 7. The first chain 2 space, we're going to work chain 5, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same space. In the next space, we're going to work double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And we're going to repeat that in the next 4 spaces. Following, we're going to increase by working double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet all in the same space. And for the remaining space, we'll just simply work double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet in each of the space. Now that round 7 is done, we should have a total of 14 spaces altogether. Slip stitch and slip stitch into the chain 2 space, chain 5 for round 8, double crochet in the same space. Repeat for the next 5 chain 2 spaces. That's double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in each of the following 5 spaces. On the 7th space, which is this next one, we're going to work double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. In the following space, we're going to work double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and repeat for the rest of the round. Now that round 8 is complete, we should have 16 spaces altogether. Slip stitch to join the round. Round 9, we're going to need to do a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, and we're going to chain 3 only. That counts as your first double crochet, and you're going to need to work 4 more double crochet in that same space, total of 5 double crochet. Slip stitch from that first double crochet, slip it through, and you have made a popcorn stitch. Now we'll need to do chain 10. Skip 1 space and double crochet in the alternate. 5 double crochet. and go to the first double crochet, slip stitch, pull it through, chain 10. And skip the next space, double crochet in the alternate space. Simply repeat the round with your popcorn and chain 10. Okay, now that round is done, simply slip stitch behind the popcorn to join the round. Single crochet, and we'll need to do 6 single crochet on this chain 10. And we're going to need to do chain 5 after that. Okay, count from your third chain, single crochet in the third chain. Chain 2 and 6 single crochet at that same chain 10 space. For the remaining chain 10 space, repeat what we just did. 6 single crochet, chain 5, single crochet into the third chain, chain 2, and then 6 single crochet. When I was done, we just need to simply slip stitch in that first single crochet to finish. And to finish this bell, please check out the general shaping instruction that I used to shape my angel. There, we just finished a Lacy bell. Beautiful pattern. Thank you very much for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your friends if you think they'll find it useful. And please leave me a comment and subscribe to get upcoming videos.